In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to auto-forward on Yahoo Mail. By the end, you'll have your Gmail messages automatically appearing inside Yahoo Mail, so everything is in one inbox without manual copying. Start by opening your browser and heading to Yahoo's sign-in page. If you see your account listed, click it to continue. Type your email address, then proceed to the password screen and sign in. If Yahoo asks for additional verification, just follow the on-screen prompts. Once you're back on the Yahoo homepage, look to the upper right and click Mail to open your Yahoo Mail inbox. Inside Yahoo Mail, go to the gear icon for settings. A quick panel opens on the right. Scroll to the bottom and choose More Settings to access the full settings area. On the left sidebar, select Mailboxes. This is where you manage connected accounts that Yahoo can fetch email from. Click Add Mailbox, and when the provider list appears, choose Google. A Google window will open, enter the Gmail address you want to bring into Yahoo, and click Next. Select the account when prompted. You'll then see a permissions screen explaining what access Yahoo needs to retrieve your mail and related items. For the forwarding to work smoothly, make sure the required permissions are selected. Choosing Select All is the simplest way to avoid sync issues, and then click Continue to grant access. After approval, Yahoo returns you to the mailbox setup page. Here, enter the name you want to display when sending messages from this Gmail address through Yahoo. This is typically your first and last name. You can also add a short description to help you remember what this connected mailbox is for, such as personal Gmail or work Gmail. When you're satisfied, click Done. That's it. Yahoo will begin syncing your Gmail automatically. The initial sync may take a few minutes if you have a lot of messages, but new emails will continue to flow in without any extra work. If you ever want to adjust or remove this connection, go back to Settings, open More Settings, and return to Mailboxes. From there, you can manage the connected Gmail, update its name or description, or disconnect it entirely. For better organization, consider creating filters inside Yahoo Mail to route incoming Gmail messages into specific folders or to apply labels. This keeps your unified inbox tidy as mail arrives. You've now set up automatic forwarding into Yahoo Mail by connecting your Gmail account. Enjoy a streamlined inbox and happy emailing.